What's up everybody, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you a cool little solve that I got a few days ago. So I'm sorry for the lack of uploads, that is because I've been enjoying the summer overall, and you can see this is where my watch was, and yeah, my hand is beautiful. Anyways, so today I'm going to show you a really cool solve that I got a few days ago. And first of all, the scramble is right on your screen right now or in the description. You can just write in the comments the time you got on this scramble. So anyways, first of all, let's appreciate the beautiful time that I got, 111. I'm sure we all get goosebumps when we get a time like that. Anyways, so I went for the white cross, and first off I solved the orange one, and then I solved the green with the red, like this. And solved the red one, and then the blue one. Now, the fun part starts. Let's count the sexy move count. So first of all, we all know that case, where we have this color, then the adjacent color, then we solve this case with 2 sexy moves. So 1, 2 sexy moves. Next up, 3, 4 sexy moves. What's that? That's another case. 6 sexy moves? Yeah, I meant sorry. Then here, 7, 8 sexy moves. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a cool case. 10 sexy moves, and the cube is solved. So I just wanted to show you this really cool solve, and it's quite fun. 10 sexy moves. Comment down below what's the highest sexy move count you've ever gotten in a solve, and I will see you all next time.